Okay guys, sorry if there's any wind noise messing with the camera, but I just arrived at the pond. I thought I saw some bait fish jumping across the pond that way, and I'm just going to see if I can't work up any bites. Right now I've got tied on, I've got a jig, a black and blue jig, and one of these crappy TV swim baits here. This is a joke. I'm going to try to catch something with it. Had them sitting at the bottom of my bag forever, but I'm probably going to start with this jig. It's got a little bit of rattle in it. Usually in this pond, most of our jig bites honestly come from black and blue jigs, so I'm going to set the camera up over here and I'm going to just work my way down and see if I can't hook into anything. Right there, see that? Something just surfaced right there. I'm going to throw my swim bait over there. Well, I guess not, man. On that stupid little swim bait. Wow, he can gulp that thing. Pops right out. On that TV promotional thing. That's a little fish. I mean, here's my hand and here's the fish. So that's a little fish, but nonetheless it's a fish. So. We're gonna reel this in. We're gonna see if we can't work our way down this bank and actually actually hit it twice.